Is your video looking too dark or little washed out? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust brightness and contrast in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First, open CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap New Project and choose the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once selected, tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. For the step number 2, tap on the video clip in the timeline. A menu of editing tools will appear at the bottom of the screen. Swipe through the editing tools and find Adjust and tap it. In here, you will see several options. To adjust the brightness, tap Brightness and drag the slider to the right to make your video brighter or to the left to make it darker. Small adjustments usually produce the most natural looking results. Now, tap Contrast. Drag the slider to the right to increase the difference between light and dark areas. Drag it to the left for a softer look. Adjust it until you are satisfied with the overall appearance. And that's it! You have successfully adjusted the brightness and contrast in CapCut Mobile. Create, edit, and shine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless!